Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurements. My bad. First, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. And in this menu, you should see the option called heart rate. Tap on it. This will open the heart rate widget, and now you can tap on this measure button to start the measurement. I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, tap on measure, tap on the check mark, and wait for the results. Sometimes it will have problems with detecting the heart rate from the finger, so that's why I recommend to wear it on the wrist. And here we have our result. You can tap on measure again to measure it again if you want to. You can also swipe up and down on the screen right here to see more statistics like resting heart rate, relaxed, and stuff like that. You can also check the whole day progression right here if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face by pressing it a couple of times. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.